Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change profile picture in Netflix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in netflix.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Netflix if you haven't already done that of course. And also you need to go and subscribe to Netflix to be able to use their platform fully. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner we have the home, TV shows, movies, new and popular, my list, and browse by languages. And in the top right corner, we have, as you can see, your profile. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and change profile picture in Netflix. So click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select account, as so. Then scroll down and find, of course, your profiles. Click on the profile and, of course, on the profile that you want. Then click Edit Profile. And then click on the pencil icon next to, of course, the picture, which you have here. Then, when you do that, choose, of course, the new profile picture from the list provided. Click Save to apply the changes. Your profile picture should now be updated. And you can, of course, go and check it out here and, of course, go back and check out the new profile in the top right corner. So, guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.